Okay, guys, so just a couple of things here. We're sharing this whiteboard, a couple of things that I went back and forth with Amy Beth on. And just to give you, let's say we're using this whiteboard and we're doing some drawings, right? So I did a thing on the respiratory system, so I was doing a drawing like this. And just sort of scratch this out a little bit. And then let's say I accidentally had decided on this side, I was going to say this is the right side. Oop, and that's a mistake. I know that's actually the left side. One of the things I had thought about doing was just going up here and selecting a white color and erasing. And then when I was talking to Amy Beth about that, she gave me this clue where I can actually go back and grab the pointer. And if I grab the pointer and click on that, then I can hit backspace, and it actually erases just that object. So one of the things that was really frustrating to me before is I would click on erase and I would lose the whole image. Okay. So again, if I draw something, right? Let's see. Again, I want to get rid of. I don't like whatever part of this. I can get rid of that. I just click here and click on backspace. It gets rid of it. Another thing we can do is if you're typing, right? You click on text, and let's say we're going to put some text in here. And we have that. Now let's say we can move that around. Again, if we grab the pointer, we can grab that and we can shift it around. And another thing we can do is if we come out over here and we, again with the pointer, we can change the size of that. If this will work, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. But if we grab that, right, we can change the size of that text also. So a couple of little tools there with the pointer. Again, if I use my pencil right to change the color, I want to get rid of a little spot like that. Or again, if I just grab it with the pointer, and then I can hit backspace and get rid of whatever object I don't want to have anymore. Okay. And again, with the text one, again with the pointer, you can increase, you can move it around, increase, decrease the size. To kind of do that. Another thing you can do is you can change the views here. So sometimes I was zooming in to make my drawings bigger or smaller. And this is just for your view, but of course you can have the kids change the views. That'll change what the kids can see by using those. Okay, just a couple little tips there. Hope it helps out, and let me know if you get any ones for me. All right.